Hello, my name is Dr. Alden Craddock, and I'm here to talk about Political Science 400H, the tutorial on the promise and problems of democracy. An honors tutorial is a unique learning experience. What we do in tutorial is delve deeply into a theme by breaking the class into small groups that meet on different days of the week. So on one day of the week, you'll be meeting just with your small group to talk about the readings. On the other day of the week, you'll be meeting with me along with the rest of your small group to talk about the readings and also about the essays that you've written to answer questions about the readings. So this is a really unique experience. And by the end of the semester, what we're going to do is have all the students choose an essay that they liked of their own to be able to share with everyone in the tutorial so that we can all learn from each other. I'm really excited about this new effort in the honors program, and I'm even more excited about the theme we're going to be discussing, because this theme is so critically important for our country at this point in time. The theme is the promise and the problems of democracy. And what we'll be doing is looking at the historical, the theoretical, and the practical aspects of democracy and how well they're being played out in our country and around the world. So I hope you'll join me on this unique learning experience, and I look forward to seeing you soon.